Hello gentlemen, my name is Daryl Fernandez, IT trainer, and I'm going to explain to you today email ethics, and this course is about email ethics. So you will learn how to send emails to clients using certain rules and regulations. Okay, so I'll be taking you through this presentation, and you will follow what are the requirements one needs to to send a very good email, because it's very necessary to use these techniques so that you can get maximum communication and in your in your enterprise. Okay, let's see a glance on the topic. So I'm not going to read this thing, but you have seen that this topic has emails, how email works, why electronic mail, what is email ethics, what is communication, and so on. You can read this topic as when you get the time. Okay, and we need, these are the expectations that we need to get from you, and so that we don't lose track of what is happening in the course. Right, now let's start with this. I'm just going directly to the most important thing, email. Here's a definition of email. What is an email? Or you can say electronic mail. It's a electronic method of communication or communicating message from one user to another with the help of a software. Now you can have different softwares depending on your requirements of your company, what they give you, what your RDC gives you, what your administration may do. You can speak to them and then you can get that installed. This is the meaning of email, electronic mail, and I hope that many people don't get confused with the snail mail. Snail mail's days are over, and people are moved on to electronic mail. Here, this is how I was trying to explain to you how does the email actually work, and this is a very simple to the point diagram of a computer. You can see a computer over here, and you can see that it's connected to a router, which is also connected to a web server, right? And we can have many connections from the router if we want, depending on the slots available, but we can use this as an email where we can use web applications like IE, Internet Explorer. We can see the logo of IE. You can use various different web application browsers which support the internet, and that's how you can see that we get websites, or probably emails also are generated with it. So right, so through the websites like Google, Rediff, Yahoo, to name some of them, we get emails out of that. Gmail, Rediff mail, Yahoo mail, right? So this is just for you to understand, for those who don't really understand the method of how the email works. Now we come to the next topic here, and we'll try to explain why electronic mail, why we are using digital mail, you can say, rather than using snail mail. Okay, those days are gone, and we are no more going to use the snail mail anymore. And we can find some of the reasons here. I have just put down these reasons which are necessary for people who are using email in the offices. Number one, no manpower needed. So you know what I mean by saying manpower. You don't need a postman, right? Or you don't need someone like that who need a man to pass this news to someone. Those days are over, so no manpower needed. It's faster, right? There it is, it's faster, and economical also, because it is quick and fast. Then it saves paper and ink. Usually that's what today we say that environmental issue so we always use that. And then it's a it has upgrade speed. You can upgrade the speed of the internet. You can upgrade the speed of the speed of the net, which can definitely speed up your process of emailing. Then we have computerized application. I mean, it is based on computers. Different computers are available, right? You can what type of computers are there nowadays. That you have laptops, right? You have iPads and smartphones, right? So this very good, compatible. Then comes document files. There are different types of document files that electronic mail is used. Audio, video, it could be documents, it could be links, it could be anything. So email, if it is having a good storage facility, then it can store large amount of data and you can send the files across. Then it stores messages inside your email so that you can use them in future. So that's a very good advantage of that. You can even edit the messages. Here the topic of messages. And then software integration, zip large files. I mean to say, by using small softwares are there, like WinZip, and there are lots of utility softwares on the net. You can see them day by day, like PDF converter, and some kind of small games also are available, which you can zip them, and as they are large, and you cannot send large files across the net because the internet traffic will get it will get slower, or you can get jammed up, and then your email will bounce back. In other words, your file will be it will break, the link will break, and you will not have the file to be there won't be a success in sending it, right? So that's why we have to zip large file software integration. Okay, then comes you can copy messages. You can make a you can send one single email to several people, and you can also use it as a mail merge feature. That's very good. Another thing is compatible with both the platforms, PC, personal computer, and Macintosh, and also with other operating systems like Windows, Unix, Linux. Just so many different types of operating systems available, right? Electronic mail works on all these things. These different technologies are so vast in it, right? Finally, we have support various local languages. That's one of the striking things nowadays. All the world is a very big place. You can say different cultures come together, languages are coming together, and we have those facility where we can support various local language. Then comes signature, password, protect utilities. You can use this as a security kind of thing, because nowadays however it can be broken. I'm not saying about that, but I'm saying secure. Okay, so it's having your own signature on it. You can protect by using a password and so